Hello student, today we are going to learn chapter number 4 in science, animals common insect. Animals common insect. What we will learn in this chapter? We will learn in this chapter the common insect in the surrounding, body parts of an insect, harmful effect of insect and their preventions, benefits from insect life cycle of a butterfly. Student, first all of we will see the introductions of the chapter. See the picture. There is a lots of insect. We can find it all around. Introduction. We can find insect all around us inside. Our house is well outside from common insect, honeybees, butterflies, wasps, beetles. You will be surprised to know that there are over 1 million species of insect on earth. There are 1 million species of insect on earth. In fact, new insects on the earth are being discovered by every day. Insects are small animals. There are many kinds of insects. They from the largest group of animals living on the earth. They live everywhere in hot desert and cold mountain and ever in water. Most insects live on land, many lives on plants and some live in soil. Some common insect. This is the picture of the common insect. You can name few common insect you see around. Write their name in the box. Here in a 4 box you will write the some common animals name. The body parts of an insect is divided into 3 parts. The insect body part is divided into 3 parts. First head and second thorax, third abdomen. Here in a picture of grasshopper, an insect's picture. This is the head and this is the thorax and this is the abdomen. Insect's body. First we learn about the head of insect's head. The head has a pair of feelers, 2 eyes and a mouth. Observe an insect with a magnificent glass. You can see 2 tiny here like the parts on its head. These are called feelers. Feelers, they help an insect to smell and feel things. Feelers help the insect to feel the things. Thorax. The thorax is the middle portion of an insect which has wings and legs. All insects have 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. Most insects have 2 pairs of wings and most insects have 2 pairs of wings. Abdomen. The abdomen is located just behind the thorax and the contains many important body parts. All the vital organs for insect survival such as the respirations, digestions and the reproductions are found here. Turn your page. Effect, harmful effect of insect on humans and their preventions. The harmful effects of insects vary based on the types of insects and its locations. Insects voids generally have a couple of harmful effects, irritations and illnesses. The less severe effect is simple irritations, swelling and the pain that sometimes come from voids by the certain insects such as mosquitoes, bees and some spiders. These voids can become irritated and the locations of the voids may become red and swollen. In some instance, over-the-counter medicines are sometimes used to provide temporary relief. The medicine are survived to the temporary relief. The more serious side of the insect words is the illnesses that can result in extreme cases poisonous spiders such as the black widow and brown rescues can causes the serious illnesses, skin defects and even death. In the rare instance, one must immediately refer to a doctor in such as cases. In these cases, the patient immediately to refer a doctor. Here in a picture of side effect of insects bite. Common household insects can causes the damage to our homes, especially the clothes, eatable and the furniture's household pests can also be the threat of health of our families. Why the spreading bacteria and diseases in our homes, they can be controlled by spraying insecticides or by the fungants. Why the fumants? Why maintaining hygiene? They can be spreading bacteria and diseases in our homes. They can be controlled by the spraying insecticides or by the fumants and by maintaining hygiene. Mosquitoes can spread diseases such as malaria, yellow fever, dengue fever. Water should not be allowed to collect during the rainy season and surrounding areas. House must be kept clean. The rainy season, during the rainy seasons and all around your surrounding are keep clean. Leak such as life such as the human blood and can causes sore which is the left untreated can lead to various infections. Regular cleaning and the medicines of here should be done to the prevent their spread. Effect of lice. A cockroach can live without food for an entire month and hold its breath for 40 minutes. A cockroach can live without food. A cockroach can live without food for an entire month and hold its breath for 40 minutes. Even if you cut off its head, it would still run around the house for about a week before dying of thirst because its brain is not in its head. It's scattered throughout its body. Earthworms feed on dead plants and soil as they move through the earth. They help mix the soil, which is good. Benefits of insects. Beneficial insects. Benefits from the insect. Here are some benefits from the insect. First, silk is the produced from the silkworm. We get honey from the honeybees, which suck nectar from the flowers. In many countries, insects are cooked and eaten. Vegan, rich source of the protein. Grasshoppers are eaten in many parts of the world. The grasshopper are eaten by the people in the many parts of the world. Insects like the cockroaches, ants, etc. feed on the waste material which is turned clean the environment. Butterflies added a beauty to the surrounding with their vibrant colors and the beautiful patterns. Insects also help in plants reproductions by the pollinations. Beeswax obtained from the bees is used in the making lotions, ornaments, lipsticks, creams, candles, etc. So students, learn the effect and use of the insect. Thank you class. Take care.